This video will go over exactly how to parse JSON string data inside n8n. The best way for me to demonstrate this real-world application is in this workflow where we have to pull the affiliate links from our affiliate network in the format of a JSON string. And we have to write a code to convert that JSON string into readable information, and then we can map each of the items and append that into our Google Sheet. And right here we have our output from our affiliate network. And notice this is a JSON string. Okay, this information is hard to read and we cannot map the information easily. So what we have to do is parse this JSON string data into readable information. The next node is a function node. Right here we have a JavaScript code to convert the information we got from the affiliate network and convert that into readable information. So if we hit test, it's going to output all of those information that we can easily map and drag into our Google Sheet. If you are following along, be sure to copy the JavaScript code in the description so you can use it in your workflow. Just as a reminder, this particular code will only work for if you are pulling data from AvantLink. If you're working on other data sets, it may be different. Anyway, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to watch this playlist. And if you want to learn how to grab affiliate links easily using this workflow, be sure to watch this one next.